Hey all, welcome to my channel. It's called Chill with Sabi. Today I have another treasure hunt from 2023. It's called Mad Propz. The first edition came in 2004 and originally it was planned to call as Hair Armor, but later it's changed to Mad Propz. So let me take this beautiful plane out of the box and let's see how does it looks. As you know, when you see the symbol, it means that you got some treasure hunt. But the super treasure hunt is always in the golden color. And let's talk about this beautiful looking plane. This plane is in golden color and the propeller is in orange. And we have a logo in both the wings, the Hot Wheels and the treasure hunt symbol, and the number is HKKN5. It has a cool graphic with blue, orange, and golden highlight on the wing and the both sides, and it has a chrome cockpit. It's a beautiful looking plane. So this looks really cool. All the treasure hunts planes or car, they look beautiful and they have been designed in such a way that they look unique in their own way. And it has a wheel, but that is plastic, not the rubber wheels. And if it was a super treasure hunt, maybe they would be added some rubber wheels in it. So far this plane looks really beautiful. I really like it. The color and the pattern, what they did to this plane. Let us see how does it roll. It has a landing gear, 2 wheels, and the wheels are made of plastic, so it can go like something like this. Let's go smooth. Cool. That's a cool looking plane. Let me know in the comment what do you think about this plane. That's a treasure hunt plane. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. And it's a cute little plane.